Welcome to the Stack Height Calculator program. This program allows you to input elements for tree stack and calculate their heights. You'll also find out if the tree stacks are equal into height or not. Let's get started. So ayan. In stack, enter elements for stack 1. So ayan, stack elements for 1, 1, 2, 3 for stack 1, and elements stack 2, 2, 3, 4, and stack 3, 1, 4, 1, 1. Continue, type Y. Element stack 1 is 2, 1, 1, 1, and stack 2 is 3, 2, and stack 3, 4, 1. So ayan po, all stack are equal to height. Type Y to continue. Stack 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3. And stack 2 is 2, 1, 1, 4, 2. And stack 3 is 1, 3, 2, 1, 1. So ayan po stack 3. Print po yung total ng heights. So ayun, continue. Yes, stack 1. Enter the element stack 1, 1, 4, 2, 2, 3, and stack 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and stack 3, 5, 2, 1, 1. So ayan po, print po yung total heights ng stack 1, stack 2, and 3. And then continue naman tayo. Enter naman po ng elements ng stack 1 is 2, 4, 1, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2. And stack 3, 2, 5. Yan. So ayan po, all stack are same equal height to 7. So ayan po, yan na pang ang program. Salamat.